Welcome to today's briefing. I'm Aaron from Subbrief. Today our focus is on the South China Sea. As Chinese PLAN fleets continue to operate near Japan, our Ronald Reagan Carrier Strike Group is transiting the South China Sea after a 5-day visit in Da Nang. Ronald Reagan is making final preparations for the Australian-led multinational exercise Talisman Sabre 2023. That begins on July 22nd. Escorting the carrier are two Ticonderoga-class cruisers, the Antietam and the Robert Smalls. Ticonderoga-class cruisers bring a lot of firepower to the exercise with multiple weapon systems, including over 120 vertical launch cells each. And the list of participating ships continues to grow, with the U.S. amphibious assault ships and Japanese amphibious assault ships bringing with them multiple escort ships from multiple nations. Talisman Sabre is a multi-domain exercise that includes over 30,000 personnel, and I'll be bringing you updates while this exercise is underway later this month. I want to tell you how to make some easy money fast. YouGov.com is a website that pays you for your opinion. YouGov is free to join, and as a member, you earn points completing short surveys that matters. Here you can see some of the short surveys that I've already done, and they have a daily discussion like this one. Someone found some cocaine at the White House and it leads to an investigation, and what do you think about that? This is a life hack for some extra cash. You can see all the different ways to cash in your points right here. I use my points for Amazon gift cards, but you can also get direct deposits of cash right into your bank account as well. I use my Amazon gift card to buy dog food and treats for Bianca. Makes for a happy dog, saves me some money. So use the link in my description to create your free YouGov.com account and start earning easy money today. Now we go just off the coast of Oman in the Arabian Sea, where Iran has fired upon a merchant vessel while transiting in international waters. This incident happened Wednesday, July 5th. 2023, when Iran attempted to halt two commercial vessels. Both did not stop. The second one was fired upon, as you can see here in this video released by the United States Navy. So we have clear video of an Iranian naval vessel. This is the Bayandr class Corvette. They have two of these. I'm not sure which one it is. The Iranian warship is on the bridge-to-bridge radio right now with the commercial tanker telling it to stop. When the tanker does not stop, the Iranian warship fires on a civilian ship in international waters. This Corvette has multiple gun systems, a 76mm gun on the bow, two 40mm Bofors, and two 12.7 machine guns that fire on the MT Richmond Voyager, a commercial tanker. The U.S. Navy responded by sending the destroyer USS McFall and two air assets, the MQ-9 Reaper and a P-8A Poseidon that you see the video here from. You can clearly see the ricochet strikes hitting the superstructure of the commercial tanker. The superstructure is where the crew lives and operates the ship. And you're witnessing a crime at sea in progress in international waters. When the USS McFall arrived on scene, the Iranian vessel left. Shell fragments were recovered from the scene. Fortunately, there were no injuries on board the commercial tanker. What do you think we should do about this? What should the international community, what should the response be to Iran when we clearly have video of them shooting on civilian ships in international waters? We're just very fortunate that there were no casualties here. So, in other areas of the world, we have lots of carrier strike groups at sea right now. We have the Eisenhower, the Bush, the Washington, all conducting various activities in the Virginia operating areas. The Nimitz is doing training and exercises off the coast of San Diego. Gerald R. Ford, our largest aircraft carrier, continues its deployment in the Mediterranean. And this brings the total number of carriers at sea to 6. That's half the United States aircraft carriers in our fleet. So if Iran and China want to screw around, this is what Operation Find Out looks like. Hey Gene, how was your trip to Washington? What happened?
Well,
You left what at the White House?